I'm going to show you how you can delete your images or creations on Ideogram AI. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget you can subscribe and like the video for more. So I'm going to show you two different methods and you will be able to delete your images completely for free. So for this test, I'm going to copy this prompt and generate some images as a test. So let's wait a few seconds until the images load, and then I'm going to show you the way you can delete images for free, and then another way if you have a paid subscription. So now once you have the images ready, you can click here, and if you click the three dots, you will see you can delete right here. So by default, all images will be public, so that means everyone can see them. So if you don't want anyone to see them or you don't want them to appear in your Ideogram profile, you can delete right here, and that's the first method. You might need as a paid subscription for this, and if you don't want to pay, the only thing you can do is click right here and delete your account. So this will delete your account and everything inside your profile, so make sure to download the images that you want to keep, and then after that you can register with another email, but as you can see you can sign up again with the same email. So you can't sign up with the same email in 48 hours. After that you can use the same email if you want. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.